What's up?
What's up?
You go to school here?
Nah.
Oh, yeah, I do. What's your name?
Josh.
My name is Rachel.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. So, you want to see me naked?
Do I want to see you naked?
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah?
Get a picture?
Stop it. Get some help.
I'm just kidding. I'm talking about the drink.
Surprise, motherfucker.
I'm gonna fumble. I feel like I'm gonna fumble.
Do it! Just do it!
I have a question for y'all.
Yeah.
Real quick. You guys wanna get naked?
No.
Deny.
I have a naked bottle.
Ah.
Yeah, it's just a little joke.
That's funny.
It's just a little prank.
Is that what you guys are doing?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you're just walking up to people asking if
see
they
their-
want to
get
get
their
naked?
reaction, yeah.
I love those naked drinks, actually.
We don't care. Let me tell you. We don't care. Jerry.
Why Pree on YouTube? Subscribe. But thank you guys. Fam.
Well, I was just, walking around, hanging out. I'm actually a rapper, a spiritual healer. So yeah, if you want, you can take one of my cards.
Okay, yeah, for sure.
Thank you. I also wanted to ask you if you wanted to get a little naked.
Oh, no, I'm all right.
No?
Thank you, dog. I got a girlfriend.
I was talking about the drink.
Oh,
How you doing?
Hi, I'm good. I'm just doing something.
what?
I'm just doing something. I'm about to take a quiz.
So you say you're taking a quiz?
Yeah.
So what are you doing after you take the quiz?
I'm hanging out with my boyfriend, so I have to
I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.